Namaskar, my dear friends. In our previous lectures, you were learn about the different types of the engineering curves and how to draw the different types of the engineering curves. Now, in our today's lecture, we are going to learn about the projections of point. Point means dot. So it has no any dimensions, right? So let us first of all start how to draw projections of points. So for that, let us learn about the different orientation of points in a space. So first, in quadrant 1, above HP and in front of VP. Then second orientation or second position of point in quadrant 2, above HP and behind VP. In quadrant 3, below HP and behind VP. In quadrant 4, below HP and in front of VP. In plane, above HP and in VP. In plane, below HP and in VP. In plane, in HP and in front of VP. In plane, in HP and behind VP. And in plane, in HP and VP both. So these are the different 9 orientation of point in space. Okay. Now let us see one by one. Position 1, that is the point is in quadrant 1. So suppose a point A1, okay, is quadrant 1's mean is above HP and in front of VP. Okay. So first of all, let us see in 3-dimensional view and then in 2-dimensional view. Okay. Now this plane is known as the horizontal plane and this plane is known as a vertical plane. And intersection of these two planes is known as a reference line and it is denoted by XY line. Okay, in both 3D and 2D. Now here you can see the point A1. So original point is denoted by capital letter. Always original object or point is denoted by capital letter. So it is denoted by capital A1. Now A1 is the original point. Now you are looking from this direction, this X direction. So the front view of this point A1 is on a plane vertical or is on VP. So the projection of A1 is on VP and it is known as the front view. So front view is denoted by small letter with dash. So its front view is denoted by A1 dash and it is on VP. So A1 dash is the front view. Now in 2-dimensional, so you can see here this A1 dash is above XY line. So in 2-dimensional, you can draw this A1 dash is above XY line. That means the distance from HP, above HP. So this distance of A1 dash from XY is the distance of point from HP. Okay. Now looking from top in this Y direction. So the projection of A1 is on HP and it is denoted by small a1. So A1 is a top view of this point. So top view is denoted by small letter without dash. Now in 2-dimensional, here you can see the top view is below XY line. If we rotate this horizontal plane 90 degree in clockwise direction, then our top view, it will be below XY line. So here you can see this is A1. Okay. So conclusion, if the point is in quadrant 1, So you have to remember that in 3D, point above HP, so front view above XY. Point in front of VP, top view below XY. So you have to remember that if the point is in first quadrant, front view is above XY line and top view is below XY line. Now let us see next position. Position 2, second quadrant. So point A2 is above HP, behind VP. So in first of all, in three-dimensional, HP and VP, the intersection line is XY. Here in two-dimensional, XY. Now you can see here this point A2, which is above HP and behind VP. So A2 is the original point. Now looking from this direction X, so projection of front view is on VP. So it is denoted by A2 dash. Okay. So A2 dash is the front view and is above XY line. So distance of A2 dash is equal to distance of point from HP. Now looking from top, from this direction Y, its top view projection of A2 is on HP and it is denoted by small a2. So again, if we rotate this plane in a clockwise direction by 90 degree, so this a2 will be on this VP. So in 2D, you can draw at here. So if the point is in second quadrant, both the front view and top view are above XY line, and distance of A2 is equal to distance of point from VP. Okay, distance of point from VP. Now conclusion, in 3D, point above HP, front view above XY, point behind VP, its top view above XY. So in second quadrant, both the views are above XY line. Now let us see position 3, third quadrant. So point A3 is below HP, behind VP. Third quadrant means below HP, behind VP. So in three-dimensional, horizontal plane and vertical plane, XY line. So point A3 is here, which is denoted by yellow color, A3. Now looking from this X direction, its front view, A3 dash. So you can see this A3 dash is below XY line here. So A3 dash is the front view, and into 2D, you have to draw below XY line, A3 dash. Now looking from this direction, top view, A3. Okay, now if you rotate this HP 90 degree in clockwise direction, so its top view is above XY line. So A3 is the top view. A3. So here in this case, top view is above XY line and front view is below XY line. So conclusion, in 3D, point below HP, front view below XY, point behind VP, its top view above XY line. Okay. Now let us see next position. Position 4, fourth quadrant. That means below HP, in front of VP. Fourth quadrant, XY line, and point A4 is here. Now looking from this x direction, its front view is A4 dash and it is below xy line. So draw the A4 dash below xy line. Now looking from the top, its top view is on HP A4. Okay, now if we rotate this horizontal plane 90-degree clockwise direction, so this A4, it will be below XY line. So here in this case, you can see both front view and top view are below XY line. So conclusion, point below HP, front view below XY, point in front of VP, top view below XY. Okay, so now you have to remember that if the point is in first quadrant, front view is above XY line, top view is below XY line. In second quadrant, both the views are above XY line. In third quadrant, front view is below XY, top view is above XY line. And in fourth quadrant, both the views are below XY line. Now let us see next position, position number 5. Point A5 above HP and in VP. Okay, so point A5 is in VP and above HP. Now, here, horizontal plane and vertical plane. So you can see this point A5 is in VP. Okay. So therefore, here from looking from this direction, its top view above HP, that means its top view A5 dash is above XY line. Okay, so here you can see this is the original point and A5 dash. So here A5 and A5 dash both are the coincide and same point. Okay, now looking from top, its top view is on XY line. You can see here A5. So A5 is the top view. So here you can see top view is on XY line. Point is in VP, so that's why its top view is on XY line. So conclusion, in 3D and 2D, point above HP, front view above XY, point in VP, top view on XY. Okay. Now let us see next position. Position number 6, point A6 below HP in VP. Here point A6 is in VP and below HP. So here original point A6 is below XY line and its front view A6 dash is also below XY line. So here you can see this original point and front view are the same. Now from looking from the top, its top view is on XY line A6. So again here you can see it point is below HP, so its front view is below XY line and in VP, so top view is on XY line. So conclusion, point below HP, front view below XY, point in VP, top view on XY line. Now next position, point 7, A7 in HP in front of VP. Now point is in HP and in front of VP. Now you can see point A7 is on the HP. So it's point A7. You can see below original point is below XY. Okay, if we rotate this plane by 90 degree, now in front view, you can see the front view A7 dash is on XY line. So A7 dash is the front view. Here you can see it is on XY line. Now for top view, A7 will be here and it is below XY line. So here you can see top view and original points both are the same and below XY line. So conclusion here, in 3D, point in front of VP, top view below XY, point in HP, front view on XY. Okay. Now let us see next position. Position 8, point A8 in HP behind VP. So point A8 is on HP and behind VP. So original point A8 is above XY line. Now front view is on XY line A8 dash. So A8 dash is on XY line, and top view is at here. Original point and top view are same A8. So here front view is on XY line and top view is above XY line. So conclusion, point behind VP, top view above XY, point in HP, front view on XY. Okay. Now let us see next. Position 9, point A9 in HP and in VP. That means the point is on both the plane. So if the point is on both the plane, that means it is on intersection of the two planes. So here point A9 is on XY line or the intersection of these two planes. So here original point is on XY line. Now for front view, A9 dash is on also XY line, and for top view, A9 is also on XY line. So when the point is on HP and VP, okay, on both the plane, then its front view and top view, both the views are on XY line, including original point. Okay, so conclusion, point in HP, front view on XY, point in VP, top view on XY. So now you have to remember that HP is always related with front view. Okay, if the position of HP is given, then you have to draw its front view accordingly, and VP is related with top view. So if the position of VP is given, okay, position with VP is given, then you have to draw the top view accordingly. Okay, so now I hope you can understand very well all the different position of point, and so you can solve the different examples of this projection of point. Thank you.